Story Nest.
Ellie the elephant, with her big floppy ears and even bigger heart, decided to bake the most enormous birthday cake the jungle had ever seen for her best friend Leo the lion. She gathered her ingredients: mountains of juicy mangoes, rivers of sweet honey, and sacks full of crunchy nuts. Leo, with his golden mane shimmering in the sunlight, arrived with a huge mixing bowl, big enough to bathe in. Together they began to stir, the mangoes squishing and the honey flowing, creating a sweet, sticky mess. Suddenly, a troop of playful monkeys swung down from the trees, their eyes wide with curiosity, and they snatched handfuls of nuts, giggling as they scampered away. Ellie and Leo had to tickle them with long jungle vines to get their nuts back, turning the cake-making into a hilarious game of chase. Next, a grumpy rhinoceros parked himself right in front of their makeshift oven, a giant hollow log, refusing to budge. Ellie and Leo had to sing him a sweet jungle lullaby until he finally dozed off, snoring softly. Finally, after overcoming all the funny obstacles, the enormous birthday cake, adorned with jungle flowers and glowing fireflies, was ready. All the jungle animals gathered around, singing happy birthday to Leo as he beamed with joy, ready to taste the biggest and most adventurous birthday cake ever made.